vlogger. Hope you're fine. I'm fine. We're up right here right now. Look. I'm putting the camera right here. So much fun up here. It's so windy today, so that's why we plan to go up here right now. My sister's over there. I'm gonna. This will not fall. My camera will not fall. It's okay. Look at down there. Look how much greenery it is. I need to make the camera steady. So I'm just gonna twist this knob right here. Oh, I forgot. Hey guys, I forgot to make an unboxing video that I unboxed this selfie stick. I bought it from the Raz. It's so handy. You can see the back now. Look, Hiba. Look, this selfie stick is so handy. You can see the background. You can see the whole. Look at the pleasant weather. Let me show you. Let me just go down. Look at that pleasant weather. Hiba, come here. Look at me on the camera. I'm gonna hold the camera out in the open. I hope this thing doesn't fall. That's what I'm worried about. I'm gonna put this in my wrist so it does not fall off. Look, I put it in my wrist. If it even falls off, it's in my wrist.